We've got some exciting things to go do right now.
We do. And I cannot wait to show you, tell you all of the things. But
Don't tell them yet.
let's just say we're about to add another member to our family.
Let's go!
It sounds like we're adopting a child.
So excited. Wait, you driving?
Yeah, I'm driving.
Oh my goodness. Is it safe?
No.
Yes, it's safe. I've been driving.
Do I need to let everybody on the highways know that you're driving?
I've been driving for over 3 months now. It's
Okay.
safe.
All right.
Feels safe and secure, doesn't it? It's an illusion.
All right, so it's kind of fun actually being taxied around by your kids. You know, I can just sit here and
Watch it.
take it easy and
No, you can't. You've got to be like super attentive.
take me to the Cracker Barrel in Lakeland, please.
No, I'm sorry. It's just the enormous cataract in my left eye.
Oh, what a nice sister, giving him a little massage.
Yep.
We're almost there. 14 miles.
Cracker Barrel! And Lily is on the side.
It's a whole rainbow again. Look at that. Alaska's smiling down on us saying,
Good job.
I think that's another little sign.
It is a sign.
Isn't it? That's cool. The day he passed, there was a rainbow, and now there's another rainbow.
Hold on.
It's not even like, oh, it's crawling up your...
Fall off to the side.
I'm pulling over. I'm pulling over. I'm pulling over.
Oh my gosh, all because of a little spider.
That was like,
A harmless spider.
careful.
Where did it go?
All right, did you get him?
Where did he go?
Get him. He's crawling up your leg.
No, he's not. Where did he go?
Oh, man, I've never had that happen to me before.
Stop it! I am gonna. Here, you know what? You drive.
So she texted and she said, Evie and I are in a black Mercedes SUV.
Aw.
Parked in the corner of the parking lot next to a gray shipping container. Oh my gosh, you
Oh my
guys!
gosh, are you excited?
Yeah. I'm hungry.
All right, we're going right to Cracker Barrel.
Now, if you've been following our travels for a while, you know we live a hybrid RV lifestyle, and reliable internet is a non-negotiable for us. Whether we're working remotely, uploading YouTube videos, or just relaxing with streaming at the campsite, we need a strong connection. And a great resource for reliable internet is Connect 10. Their routers connect to multiple carriers, not just one, so you always get the strongest available signal wherever the road takes you. Now, we currently have their 5G Cat 20 router, but they also have a Cat 12 LTE and even a Fortress outdoor router, perfect if you need internet outside or for a rural property. And with data plans like Explorer, Journey, Adventure, and Wanderlust, there's something for weekend campers or full-time nomads like us. If you're an RVer, remote worker, van lifer, or you just live off the beaten path, Connect 10 is a game changer. Head to gratefulglamper.com/Connect 10 and use our code GRATEFUL35 to save some cash. Where's the most remote place you've needed internet? Let us know in the comments. We just might add it to our travel list.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi.
Yes.
Good. Good doggy. Oh my goodness, you are so cute. Look at that tail go. Well, I think she likes you guys.
Absolutely.
What do you guys think?
Love her.
Isn't she adorable? Evie, come here. Hi. Good dog. What do you think?
Evie, come.
You like your new people? Yes, you do. So pretty.
That looks like another dog.
Isn't she pretty? Oh yeah.
So wet.
Looking for sniffing all the sniffs. Is that black on your ear? Oh yeah, you do have a little black on your ear. Are you 100% good dog? Evie.
Purebred good girl.
Purebred good girl. There's a rainbow right there. Alaska's smiling down on us. Good dog. You're a good dog. Get him. Get him. Just back up. Just back up. Oh. Yeah. Get him.
Okay, yeah.
You like to roll down the hill? I think she likes you guys.
She likes all of us.
I think she likes y'all. Good doggy. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
She looks just like Alaska.
Yep.
How do you feel, Trent? How do you feel? Tell me how you feel.
I love her.
Saying goodbye. She's a good foster mom. Good. Good dog.
I'm getting the tail in my face.
Good dog. We have the AC on for you. You gonna go hang out with your...
Look how she's like a
bro?
family dog. She switches.
Yeah, she goes back and forth.
Now
All
don't
right,
grab her.
remember, Evie, I'm the main man right here. Okay. Hey, Evie, are you looking for your mom? You know, you have new parents right here. New kids, I know. Come here. Evie, Evs, you like going in the car? You go for a ride?
Come here.
Good dog.
Give her some chew toys.
Give her a treat? Yeah, she goes back and forth.
Now
All
don't
right,
grab her.
remember, Evie, I'm the main man right here. Okay. Hey, Evie.
You're just very good. She's saying I'm very good. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so good. She's spilling it everywhere. Oh, is that good? That's very good.
Oh, you ready to go see your new home?
You ready?
You have a nice home and a nice...
You're a girly. Nice home. You have a great family.
Bed.
Good boy. A good girl. Good girl.
You're a girl, not a boy.
Good girl.
Stop.
It's the car. It's like. Hello. Oh, she just knocked the cup. Oh, I love that smile. Oh, you're so beautiful. She likes the snow.
All right, we're home. Welcome home.
Like a big cat.
Yep.
Like a really
Big
big cat.
hug.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, so cute.
Oh.
Welcome home.
Oh.
Hey, welcome
Big
to your
dog.
home. Good dog. That's your pee spot. That's your spot. Look at that tail. That's a massive tail.
Here, go get the snacks
girl.
for her. So when she goes.
Okay.
So we've had just a huge hole in our hearts and in our home since Alaska crossed over the Rainbow Bridge, and I just did not like how life felt without a dog. There were just so many like empty things, right? Little things like when we were traveling, we'd come back to the RV and there's just no dog there. It was really, really hard. And so I started looking online because first of all, we wanted to be able to give a dog that needed a home. We just personally didn't want to go through a breeder, just how we personally felt about it. And so I checked like all of the local animal shelters. I was checking like online adoption agencies. And unfortunately, there were a lot of breeds that were in these places that are like restricted at a lot of campgrounds. But also some of the breeds that maybe wouldn't be restricted at a campground, I would just look at the picture of that animal and just, I don't know, like there wasn't anything that drew me to that. So I did a little bit more research because Alaska was a Pyrenees and we just loved his personality. We loved his antics, and a lot of that is inherent to the breed. So I found there was a Pyrenees rescue here in the state of Florida. I will put their information below because this rescue, you guys, is definitely an amazing rescue. You'll just have to check them out online and learn more about them. But we were originally going to just adopt an adult dog. And so I had reached out about a couple of the adults that they had posted, and she wrote me back and she said, actually, since you guys have owned Pyrenees before, you're familiar with the breed, we do have a puppy. We don't post puppy pictures. We don't really let people know about that unless that we feel that they'd be a really good fit. And would you guys be interested? And they sent...
Let's think about it.
They sent
yes.
Evie's picture. So our new family member is Everest. In sticking with the white...
She just went? She's doing good dog.
We're going to call her Evie for short. So everybody...
Meet
Evie.
Evie. Good girl. You saw a lizard. You did good. Good girl.
Yeah. Look at that tail go.
Look at that sunset.
Just for you, Evie.
Welcome home, Evie. Do you like her?
Watch her pee on your shoe. Okay.
Yeah, right. Well, come on, Evie's. Come on. Good dog. Are you a good dog? Be a good dog. Come on, Evie's. Come here. She stands right out like a sore thumb. Welcome home, dog.
The cats have to meet her still.
Oh, look at that. Alaska did not have that big of a tail wag. Because he
a little stubby tail.
Yep, she's smelling all the smells. I'm gonna have a hard time saying she.
Get him. Go get him. Run.
You like that dog food? I think she likes it here. Look at that tail.
Get her.
Oh,
she's
you're so
playing.
big.
Stay over there. She wants to play
Oh,
with
you're
you.
not gonna.
Come here. Come here, Elise. Come here. Oh, you got me. You got me. Good doggies.